ना हम सब क्यूट। अब ये वीडियो देखते रहना क्योंकि आखिरी में हमारी तरफ से एक मैसेज भी है।
So here we have the charming, beautiful, adorable, cutest Yashna.
Hi, Sana. Thank you for this love. Most cringe thing I feel in social media right now is AI. I don't want to give swear words, so that's why I go, uncle, why uncle? Ikkade durala uncle. With the face and with the gesture only, the gali ho gaya. Like I'm like,
Hello everybody, I'm RJ Sana and yes, this is the first episode of Happening Podcast with Sana. You know what's special about this podcast? Puppies! And I thought, the first guest should be somebody who I totally love because she's one of my besties. So here we have the charming, beautiful, adorable, cutest Yashna.
hi, Sana. Thank you for this love.
हम भी तो क्यूट है, हमें भी तो कोई देख लो।
I know, bro. Like, with those two puppies, you look super, super, super cute.
Oh, this is so much warmth. Thank you.
So yes, we are also giving away these puppies. So, let's see who you guys look at more, us or
the
puppies.
puppies. And this one is sliding niche.
Super cute, super cute.
नाइस परफ्यूम, कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है?
So Yashna, tell me about your story, your origin story. How did it all start? I mean, I know that we became friends when you joined, the radio station. We were colleagues there.
Yes. So actually, my entire life, I only wanted to be an RJ. So whatever actor I am right now is all destiny. So I don't know. It's happening well and it's happening good. But yeah, acting is a full circle job. Like it's very exciting also, and it's very adventurous actually.
Challenging.
Like no single set is the same thing. So every set is different, every experience is different. And I didn't come into this out of my own passion but destiny. But now I'm super passionate that even when I get low times, I don't want to quit or anything. I'm just continuing with like full power.
Something about this journey that could have been better or different?
Yeah, everybody wants fame. I wish I can get an overnight success like this, but no, I've been very lucky and
hey, you are successful. Everyone knows you. You have like crazy level fans, bro.
Like getting there at the national crush level. So that's the end goal.
That's gonna happen. I mean, I can see the future. That's gonna happen like real soon.
So yeah, I'm just hoping for that. And what could have been better? I don't know. It's just the process. I'm just going through the process and I'm just loving it for now. So no complaints. Yeah.
Nice. So if I ask you this question, who or what made you, what would you say? Yourself?
I think what made me is the process again. Because, see, when I was in radio, I happened to meet you guys and all.
Yeah.
And after, it was an experience knowing you people and understanding you people. And in ours, so we had three different
people.
Because there were three different stations, three different languages. So diverse exposure.
Yeah.
And then boom, I'm in a set, I'm in the industry, I'm acting. And then people over there are different. There is camera work, there is this work, that work. So I think it's a learning process every day that is changing me. As a person on a daily basis.
Yeah. So would you like to come back to radio? You can co-host the show with me,
Yeah.
Welcome anytime to come to the studio.
We can do that for sure, yes. But focus right now, film. So, yeah.
That's wonderful. And, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
To, become that national crush real soon.
Yeah. That one is just Tessa.
He's sleeping. He's like...
विंटर सीजन है, आप लोग बात करो, मैं सो लेता हूँ।
Look at these two. Kuchu.
So describe your current era in 3 words. Only 3.
Entertainment, plus sustainability.
So what's something that you love about yourself? Like totally love about yourself? I can give you a list. There's so many things I love about you, but what do you love about yourself?
Same. I'll also give the same list. I love how I am. I love how I talk. I love how I'm with people. I love my hair. I love my face. Enough, no?
Enough. But now let's get into this. What is something toxic about you?
I think this
How?
has something to do with why me loving myself more. Because I love myself more, like disappearing for a while
Yeah.
and ghosting people ruthlessly. So
no mercy.
no mercy at all, because I want to have a space.
Mhm.
Space is my concern, and
Yeah.
which is why I feel like, if I'm giving so much energy one week, I wanna
Relax.
contain my energy and just be for a week.
Yeah.
So that people feel it's a toxic thing because I just ghosted them.
Yeah, but you're being present with yourself,
Yeah.
and that is very important.
Yeah,
too.
I am doing self-care. That is toxicity for them, not for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, cutie!
You.
Guys, we are giving away these
Sleeping.
puppies.
कितना क्यूट हो, मैं प्लीज अडॉप्ट कर लो.
So you buy puppies and you take care of them, but here we are giving them away for
And these look like
free.
actually like they are like the cutest indies ever. Like
Ever.
wow, like look at them. They have these beautiful features.
And
like,
I love their
oh,
fur.
so soft.
So much warmth.
Oh, please stop. You're embarrassing me.
So coming to acting, right?
Mhm.
What is it about acting that you like the most? Like, do you just like being in front of the cameras or the set or just enacting, being a different character? What is it about, acting that you like a lot?
I think in the environment, it's chaotic, okay? A set is chaotic because there's not one department or two departments, but 10 departments running around. So, hustling in a set, learning your dialogues, and then being in front of the camera. I love everything.
So, like Rashmika was recently talking about it, Deepika Padukone started the whole conversation with like an 8-hour shift and something like that.
Yes.
Do you also feel like that kind of balance is important and necessary?
Yeah. I mean, see, first of all, we are living in a rat race. I hate
Yeah.
that. I hate that. So,
And in movies, then you're not in a race, really, are you?
we are. You guys will not feel that, but here we are. We have a pressure of getting ready, and nothing is pre-planned, okay?
Yeah.
So as soon as we are in the set, they give us an outfit and they say that, oh, this outfit is not nice, wear another one. They play with you, yeah? We
Yeah.
get played a lot on sets. So, no.
So you wish
I
the
wish
sets.
there is actually right now the call sheet here is 6 to 6. And in Mumbai, it is 9 to 9.
Wow.
So I wish if not 9 to 9, you can make it 9 to 6.
Yeah, I can only work for 6 hours.
Yeah, even when I was in radio, I used to do my show. I used to stay for 1 hour, 2 hour tops, and I used to go home. It
See,
was such
my boss needs to listen to this.
it was such a chill thing. So people
Yeah.
have to be like that. And
Yeah.
especially creative fields, if we have everything in our head,
Yeah.
what we need to do right now will be done like this.
Yeah, you don't need to like do it at all. I'll serve you some tea here.
Hey, yes, please. We are having hibiscus tea, healthy peeps. This one is sleeping over this one.
डिस्टर्ब मत करो प्लीज, सोने दो ना.
Oops. Perfect.
I have another one. I can do
No,
better at
cheers.
serving. Okay, cheers. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
Now, this is a very important question, right? Like, because failure, at least I feel that way, right? From the school stage to college to everywhere, we deal with failure like quite a bit.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you also have, faced that, and being in movies especially, right?
I've done a lot.
A lot of that.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with failure,
Most of the times it is about moving on. But sometimes when I really want the role and everything, I'll get to know who got selected in my place, and I will wait for the movie to release in OTT, and then I will on purpose not watch it. So it's my silly ways of getting over it. But most of the times it is moving on, and sometimes, doing all these things, silly things, and
But
feeling
there's a
good.
process. There's a process.
Process,
But you,
exactly.
in the end, you deal with it. Like, you don't get like bogged down by it. Like, okay, now I need to like stop, or like, this is it, right? Like, you
Yeah.
always are like onwards and forwards.
Exactly, all the time.
So burnout, like you were saying, what do you tell your burnout self? I guess you just take a vacation.
Yeah, I'm like, bahut ho gaya, enough with all the world and all the energies, and I just go off. And I do this meditation things, I do this sustainability learning center like I went.
Yeah.
So I keep doing something different. Not like, and you know, the best part of all these things are free. Wherever I'm going, they are all free. So I'm like, yes, you are. I'm like, my thoughts are also amazing. So
So the perks of the star life, a few perks of the star life.
see, it's not the star thing, right? Now
Yeah.
the sustainability thing, I'm going as a volunteer and I'm working for them.
Yeah, oh yeah, for free.
For free, I'm working for them, so they are letting me stay for
I
free.
cannot imagine Yashna on a farm. I'm sure you're the sexiest farmer out there.
Oh my god.
So when is it that you truly feel in your zone? With puppies in your lap?
Yes, with animals, 100% I feel in a zone. And also when I am by nature, when I am by some water bodies or hugging a tree, I think there should be nobody except the water stream in me, except for the tree and me. I think that's when I'm like my true enlightened self.
Bro, traffic is too much, yeah? Like today we had to face like so much traffic, right?
Traffic all the time.
So I want to know, what is your favorite gully or like favorite line when you're stuck in traffic and annoyed?
You know what? I have a running commentary when I'm driving all the time. like I'm just driving and I'm just looking.
Arey bhai,
like
beep करना है, cut नहीं करना है, इसको beep
beep
करना है.
करना है because मैं भी बाद में एक बोलूंगी.
Then ऐसे like तुम्हारे खाला की रोड है.
I don't want to give swear words, so that's why I go uncle, why uncle, ikkade durala uncle. So I keep doing this with myself, but very rarely I window down and I say
क्या हुआ भाई? क्या हुआ?
with the face and with the gesture only, the gali ho gaya. Like I'm like nahi aata driving. क्यों आए हो road पे? So I do that.
I feel like you should say like, everyone can tell. Like, see, I didn't say it out loud, but just with the face, they're like,
Yeah, I'll try it.
what is the cringe stuff that you see these days? Bro, like these things, no, like, send this to yourself. You will get prosperity 3x. I just completely hate those cringe posts, bro. I find it like very cringe.
I am so okay with that also. I just see that and I feel happy कि कुछ अच्छा बोल रहे.
Haan.
But then the most cringe thing I feel in social media right now is AI. I am actually anti-AI because it lacks emotion and each AI question takes up 10 to 15 bottles of water.
Oh, yeah. Indeed.
They are asleep.
Yeah, he's also sleeping. I just wanted to like show his face better, so I'm sitting like this. He's so cute.
How do I show this one's faces? And my POV looks adorable.
Yeah. You're like so cutely sitting there with them. I think I'll let him sleep like this.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Give here.
You want one more? She wants my puppy, guys.
Come off. More
Still off.
warmth. More warmth for you. All puppies with you. Yes.
अरे इन दोनों के साथ क्यों बैठा दिया?
He's like, I will also settle here.
Yeah. Is it warmy?
She stole my puppy, guys. So let's do this game. It's a fun game. Red flag, green flag, or beige flag. I don't have to tell you what is what, right? Still friends with an ex or following an ex?
Red flag.
Takes 3 business days to reply.
Green flag.
Why? Because you're like that?
Yes. Because I am like that and if the guy is doing that, I'm like, good. I got my space.
Yeah, like, okay, so you need space. Someone texts you, what you doing at 2 a.m.?
Beach flag. Depends if I am active and if I want to have a conversation and if especially the message has an addition to what you're doing, something happened here.
Yeah.
Then I'll be excited. If they just want to know what's up with me, then no.
Okay.
You give me some masala
Yeah.
and then do.
Then do what you do.
Yeah.
Generally, it's a booty call, but okay. Share cryptic stories after fights.
Red flag. Big red flag.
Yeah, dude. I'm like, keep it personal or give context.
I hate it. No. So they are giving context to the rest of the world who don't need it.
Yeah.
I hate it. I don't do it and I cringe on people who does it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hate surprises.
Red flag.
Yeah, you like surprises?
I love surprises.
And you want to be surprised?
I want to be surprised.
Guys, make note.
Because then what's the fun, right? Like you should be able to have some excitement in your thing that's going on. So
Yeah.
and I don't mean some extravagant surprises. It can be just a simple thing like, hey, you know, I saw this and I thought of getting this for you and I got
Aww.
it.
Just
basics.
happens to be like a beautiful bag. Name them. You have to name them.
Okay. Sleepyhead.
Okay.
Sleepyhead.
Come on, you can do better.
No, I'm thinking of synonyms.
Something with sleepyhead.
Yes.
Hmm.
This one too will name Goldie.
Aww.
And this one Fairy.
Fairy. Okay. Fairy, Goldie.
Now this one
Laddu. Cloudy. Because
Cloudy because it's always sleeping.
Yeah,
it's
sleeping.
raining,
Okay,
sleeping.
that's a good thing.
Cloudy, yes.
थैंक यू फॉर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग. अगर आपको हम सब क्यूट लगे तो प्लीज अडॉप्ट करना.
Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching us. You know, with my special guest Yashna and even more special guests. Those are the puppies.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching the Happening podcast with Sana. See you next time.
Bye bye.
बाय बाय. फीवर एफएम हैपनिंग है.